Hello everyone, this is E-Class English Studies, and the topic today is positions of adjectival clause. We shall be considering at the same time the grammatical functions of adjectival clause, but with emphasis on the positions of adjectival clause. This is actually part 3 of the series on adjectival clause. This is actually important, and I hope you follow us all through. Now this is powered by Sam's English e-tutorial. We are based in Nigeria, West Africa. I am your regular preceptor, Samuel Ikechukwu Emochogu. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and of course follow us on other social media handles as seen on the screen at Sam's English e-tutorial. Once again, thank you and welcome for joining us. Now the topic goes, positions and grammatical functions of adjectival clause. Now, I want to know the positions of adjectival clause. Thereafter, we'll look at the grammatical functions. Now, take a look at the sentences on the screen. Okay, now the sentence on the screen, we have sentence 1 and of course sentence 2. Now, in sentence 1, from what we see, the adjectival clause is in red font. Also in sentence 2, the adjectival clause is in red font. Now take a look at their position. It can occur at the final position of a sentence and it can occur in the middle position of a sentence. As seen here, the final position of a sentence and of course in the middle position of a sentence. Now that is actually the position that adjectival clauses can take in a sentence. However, it is important that when it takes the final position in a sentence, okay, it modifies an object. Please take note. Modifies an object. Once it takes this position, it modifies an object. So from what you have here, you have the subject, you have the verb, and of course the object. Please take note. When it occurs at the final position of a sentence, it modifies the object or a complement. Alright, we are going to see more of that. However, when it occurs in the middle position of a sentence, it modifies the subject. So Daniel in this case is the subject, and of course the verb is this. Remember, we can at the same time drop the entire, yes, we can drop the entire adjectival clause here. Yes, we can drop it and the sentence will read, Daniel sits next to me in English class. Okay, now that is about the position of adjectival clause. Please take note. Now let's quickly look at further examples. In these sentences, okay, we have adjectival clauses occur at the final position of a sentence. Now take a look at that. The adjectival clause in this sentence, okay, are all in red font. They are all in red font. Okay, look at them here. Now they occur at the final position of the sentence. So in this case, when they occur at the final position of the sentence, remember I said they can modify complement. So the bench here is a complement. It's a complement because this particular verb is a linking verb. Okay, if in this context is no longer an auxiliary verb. It is not an auxiliary verb because there is no main verb in this sentence. So being the only verb in this sentence, it is now referred to as a linking verb. So here is a linking verb, okay, and immediately after a linking verb, what you're going to find is a complement. Therefore, the bench is a complement, the mountain is a complement. However, in this particular example, the food is an object because this verb is a transitive verb. I hope this is clear. The verb cooked is a transitive verb, and so after transitive verb you have an object. After linking verb you have a complement. Okay, so this group of adjectival clauses or relative clauses at the final position of a sentence either modify a complement or an object. I hope this is clear. Alright, now let's quickly look at the next sentence example. Now take a look at the next example. Here we have adjectival clauses occurring in the middle position of the sentence. Take a look at that. They occur in the middle position of the sentence. Look at this. Look at this. in the middle position of this sentence. Can you say this? In the middle position of the sentence, the three of them. Now, interestingly, when they occur in the middle position of the sentence, they modify the subject. So the subject here is my tennis shoe. In the second example, the subject here is Daniel. In the final example, the subject here is the teacher. So when they occur in the middle position of the sentence, they modify the subject. Please take note. When they occur at the middle position of the sentence, they modify the subject. On this note, we shall call it a day. Thank you once again for being there with us. This lesson is powered by Sam's English e-tutorial. Remember, we are based in Nigeria, West Africa. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow us on our various social media handles at Sam's English e-tutorial. I am your regular preceptor, Samuel Ikechukwu. I hereby sign out. Thanks for watching.